Ẹ̀yin kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Ich bin da in Deutschland. Ivory Coast náà Nàìjíríà o. Mò ń wò ó sí orí tí ìbọn ṣe ń ṣe gbogbo àwọn awards. Kò dáa rárá. Ó dùn mí gan. Actually, kò dùn mí gan. Kò fi bẹ́ẹ̀ dùn mí. I want to speak in English for a bit. Ivory Coast played a lot better than Nigeria. And they definitely deserve that. Nigeria came a long way, but I think it was kind of because we're the masters of comebacks in this tournament. They almost didn't make it through the group stages, right? Yeah, I'll switch back to Yoruba now. Nǹkan tí mo ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ sọ ni pé Ivory Coast jẹ́ ní ìmọ̀ bó ṣe ń sọ nǹkan tí mo sọ ní èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì bí mo ṣe ń sọ ní Yorùbá ṣùgbọ́n máa gbìyànjú láti sọ bí mo ṣe lè sọ. Ivory Coast gbìyànjú gidi gan nínú eré agbábọ́ọ̀lù yìí. Nàìjíríà gbìyànjú díẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ iṣẹ́ tí Ivory Coast ṣe ó yọ. Àwọn dẹ̀ ni ó gbá bọ́ọ̀lù. Àwọn dẹ̀ ni ó mọ̀ gbá bọ́ọ̀lù jù ní èní. Nítorí náà èmi fúnra mi mọ̀ pé èmi fúnra mi ní ìgbàgbọ́ pé àwọn ló yẹ kó borí lénìí. It would have been nice. It would have been really sweet if Nigeria won because I could rub it on my, Ghanaian friends' faces. Not even Ivorians' faces, like Ghanaian friends' faces. But yeah, we didn't, which is sad. And what I just do, nǹkan tí mo sọ nísìnyí ni pé ìbá dá tí kí Nàìjíríà lè borí lénìí kí n bá lè fi àwọn tó ń gbé nílé kejì àwọn ará Ghana kí n bá lè fi wọ́n ṣe yẹ̀yẹ́ dáadáa. Àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi tó wá láti Ghana kí n bá lè fi wọ́n ṣe yẹ̀yẹ́ dáadáa. Ṣùgbọ́n kò rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Ní ìsìn right now they're giving the Nigerian players their medals, their second place medals, and obviously everyone has long faces. Oh gosh, it really looks like downtrodden for real. But yeah, I mean, you would, wouldn't you? Yeah, nǹkan tí mo sọ nísìn ni pé ní ìsìn lórí amóhùnmáwòrán wọ́n ń fún àwọn agbábọ́ọ̀lù Nàìjíríà ní àwọn second place medals. I don't know how to say that in Yoruba. Wọ́n fún àwọn agbábọ́ọ̀lù Nàìjíríà ní àwọn second place medals wọn. Second place medals wọn. Níṣe ni ojú wọn dẹ̀ kọrẹ́ lọ́wọ́. I think. Mo dẹ̀ sọ pé pàápàá jùlọ ojú Iwobi ó wá sílẹ̀ ó lọlẹ̀. Yeah, I mean, I think Nigeria's done well, and I think maybe in the next AFCON maybe we can do better. I think we can maybe I think we can do better in the next AFCON, and I think the next AFCON will be in 2026, which means we will potentially have an AFCON in the same year as a World Cup. I don't know. I'll probably Google that. But I won't have time to edit this and put that in there because I need to go to bed. So I'll just I'll put it up, and then maybe in the comments I'll say something, or someone can say something in the comments. Nǹkan tí mo sọ nísìn ni wípé mo nírò wípé ó yẹ kí Nàìjíríà lè ṣe dáadáa ní AFCON tó ń bọ̀ ní ọdún méjì lẹ́yìn eléyìí. Ìyẹn dẹ̀ lè túmọ̀ sí wípé a máa gbá AFCON pẹ̀lú World Cup ní ọdún kan náà, and that would be a spectacle. Let me close it there. Inú mi dùn fún Ivory Coast àti Drogba ní pàtàkì torí pé Drogba jẹ́ agbábọ́ọ̀lù kan tó ṣe iṣẹ́ kárakára fún Chelsea when he played. Yeah, what I just said was that I am happy for them, and I'm happy for Drogba in particular because he was a really good player when he played for Chelsea, and like yeah, I rate him a lot. We are the real Premier Gaou. Awani Premier Gaou Gongon. You know the song. Yes, I'm not wearing a hat because I didn't pack a hat. I'm not at home, so unfortunately I'm not wearing a hat. Not a Yoruba hat. I do have a woolly hat, but it just wouldn't. It's not the vibe. Nǹkan tí mo sọ nísìnyí pé ẹ má bínú pé mi ò wọ fìlà tí mo máa normally wọ mi ò wọ fìlà tí mo máa ń wọ déédéé. Ìdí tí mi ṣe wọ̀ ni wípé mi ì sí nílé nísìn, mo dẹ̀ gbàgbé láti mú fìlà dání, ṣùgbọ́n mo ti pinnu wípé mo gbọ́dọ̀ how to say record in Yoruba, mo gbọ́dọ̀ record lénìí. Yeah, so what I just said was so I'm not gonna have subtitles in this because it's long to put subtitles in. That's why I'm saying what I'm saying in Yoruba in English, and I'm saying what I'm saying in English in Yoruba, so you can kind of follow what I'm saying. I'm not gonna have time to edit it and put in subtitles and all of that, yeah, jazz. So nǹkan tí mo sọ nísìnyí wípé mi ní fẹ́ ní àsìkò láti mi ní lè ṣe gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tó máa ń ṣe pẹ̀lú àwọn fídíò tí mo máa ń gbé jáde. Mi ní lè fi àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo máa ń fi sí abẹ́ fídíò yìí fídíò tí mo máa ń gbé jáde, mi ní lè fi sí lénìí nítorí wípé mi ní it's not àsìkò, mi ní kò fi bẹ́ẹ̀ sí, there's no time. How do you say that in Yoruba? Mi ní àsìkò nísinsìnyí láti ṣe gbogbo ohun tí mo máa ń ṣe pẹ̀lú àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo máa ń fi sí, tí mo máa ń gbé sórí amóhùnmáwòrán nítorí ìdí nìyẹn tí mo fi ń sọ gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo ń sọ ní Yorùbá ní èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì àti àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo ń sọ ní èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì ní Yorùbá. Ẹ má bínú tí mi ń bá sọ gbogbo àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo ń sọ ní èdè kan ní èdè kejì. Mo ń gbìyànjú pẹ̀lú gbogbo nǹkan tí mo ń gbìyànjú láti ṣe nǹkan tí mo lè ṣe pẹ̀lú gbogbo nǹkan tí mo ní. Ẹ ṣé gan. So the end of what I just said was I'm trying my best with everything I have. No, I'm trying my best with everything I have. So yeah, bear with me. I think yeah, that'll be the end of the video today. Nǹkan tí mo sọ nísìnyí wípé the end ìlò pé cinema. I think they say that. Yeah. Ó dàbọ̀. Bye.